We're going to be doing all our decorating on this cake using a fondant product. It's almost like using modeling clay, except that it's edible. It comes ready-made like this, and you can get it in the cake decorating department of a craft store, or you can get it in a specialty baking store. And I'll show you how to prepare it. When it comes, it's a little bit dry. You can see it's a little bit dry, a little bit crackly like that. And you need to knead it and soften it up before you can really work with it. So the first thing you want to do is you take either shortening or margarine and just sort of grease your hands over with it so that it won't be sticking to your hands. And you can just squeeze it and roll it and fold it and roll it and fold it until it becomes very soft and pliable, but not overly sticky. It's good to have warm hands while you're doing this, and you want to make sure that your hands are absolutely clean. So you should wash them well because of the white fondant and because of its sticky nature, it will pick up anything, any dirt or lint. It's a good idea not to wear any kind of a fuzzy, linty shirt or clothing, and to keep your hair tied back while using the fondant.